Hi guys, it's me Alfie J and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, another day, another vlog, another reaction video ang ating gagawin. And ngayon, magre-react tayo sa Grand Champion ng AGT 2023. Ayun, so walang iba, si Putri Ariani. Ayun, so ang kinantayan dito ay I Still Haven't Found What I'm Looking For by U2. Diba? Hindi ko alam ang kantang ito pero papakinggan natin kung paano niya bibigyan ng hustisya or paano niya kakantahin ang kanyang version. Kasi nga, ibang klase si Putri Ariani, di ba? Napaka-talented niya, napaka-intelligent niya, di ba? Napaka-smart na bata or na singer na sobrang galing talaga. Ang taas pa ng boses, di ba? So I'm very excited na ma-react ito. And if kung bago ka dito sa aking YouTube channel, bago tayo magpatuloy sa aking reaction video, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe or if you are not subscribing yet, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and please don't forget to click the bell notification ring para laging updated sa lahat ng mga reaction or vlogs na i-upload ko dito sa aking YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's get started! Wow. Ooh.
Mountains.
Wow.
I have run.
Ang ganda ng suot niya.
Through the
Nagpa-piano siya dito. Ang galing.
only to be with you.
Ang ganda ng control.
Only to be with you.
Wow.
But I still haven't found
Wow.
what I'm looking for.
Ayan si Simon.
I believe in
Wow.
kingdom come, then all the colors will bleed into one, bleed into one.
Ang galing.
But yes, I'm still running.
Wow.
You broke the bonds and you lose a chance. Carry the cross and my shame. Oh, my shame.
Ang galing.
You know I believe that.
Wow.
But I still
Uy, ang ganda ng damit niya, ha?
haven't found what I'm looking for. But I still haven't
Natatouch ako.
found what I'm looking for.
She's very smart.
But I still
Wow.
haven't found.
Oh my God. Wow. Unbelievable.
What I'm looking.
Nagugoosebumps ako. Wow. She's so very talented and smart. Wow. Wow, super duper talented this girl. Putri Ariani, she is so very smart, she is so very talented. And she is so very unique. The way she sings, di ba? So, sobrang galing lang niya. And she has the techniques, and she knows where to put Putri Ariane's colors or version, di ba? Sobrang galing lang talaga ni Putri Ariane. And the best, one of the best singers na aking nakikita at napapakinggan ngayon. Na sobrang galing lang talaga ni Putri Ariane. Grabe. And she deserves to win the AGT 2023, the title, because she is really amazing. She is an inspiration to everyone. She is so very, very talented and very, very unique in so many ways, di ba? Sobrang galing, sobrang lupit. Na-touch ako and I feel the goosebumps when she sang the song. Grabe lang, di ba? So, sobrang lupit lang niya. And her voice is very clear, crystal clear. Her voice is very angelic, right? So, congratulations, Miss Putri Ariane, and you deserve the title, you deserve the support, you deserve the crowd, lahat, everything deserve. Grabe lang, sobrang galing. So, congratulations to Putri Ariane and the family, and kay Mr. Simon Cowell, na siya po ang nag-Golden Buzzer dito kay Miss Putri Ariane nung nag-audition pa siya way back, di ba? Sobrang galing lang niya. So, I'm very happy and I'm very inspired by this woman, by this singer. She is so very inspirational to me. She really means to everyone, right? Grabe lang siya mag-inspired sa lahat kasi nga, 'di ba, may kapansanan siya, but she still pursue her dreams. She still believes in herself, in her talent, right? So, sa lahat po ng mga na-down dyan, sa lahat po ng mga nag-negative dyan, lift up yourself. Panoorin nyo itong vlog na ito, panoorin yung performance ni Putri Ariane. She is the one of amazing singer. She is inspiration talaga. Panoorin nyo lang, guys. Ma-inspired kayo sa kanyang performance. Wala lang akong masabi, sobrang galing ni Miss Putri Ariane. Congratulations, and I'm happy and I'm very shocked kasi grabe lang yung high notes niya. Tapos yung control ng kanyang boses nandoon talaga na sobrang galing. Ang sarap pakinggan ng kanyang boses na sobrang kontrolado, di ba? Grabe siya mag-perform. So once again, sana po nag-enjoy kayo sa aking reaction video kasi ako sobrang nag-enjoy ako, sobrang nag-goosebumps ako, na-inspired lalo, di ba? So, guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, if you are not subscribing yet, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell notification ring para laging updated sa lahat ng mga reaction videos or vlogs na i-upload ko dito sa aking YouTube channel. And guys, if you have any requests, suggestions, comments, please don't forget to comment down below at babasahin natin yan. And kung may kung sino ang mga madaming request dyan na gusto nating react, yan pang i-react natin sa ating next vlog. And sana po magkita-kita ulit tayo sa lahat ng mga reaction videos ko na upload ko dito sa aking YouTube channel. God bless everyone. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.